today I'm just going to show you some examples, and for the next days I hope you're able to make some little scenes or just little things so you can really watch yourself also on the screen. That's very important to look at yourself, how you look like on screen. And because youth might think, oh, I'm so cool, and on screen it looks quite ridiculous. Most of the movies, even nowadays, but the past 100 years, lots of stories are being told from the male's position. We call this the male gaze. You also have to try to specialize yourself. What is your really good ability? Of course, you have to play everything, but you will find some characters will never really touch your heart. And that has something to do with archetypes.